I guess Hurricane Hilary is no joke. We're back home from the gym and Sunday brunch, and we come home to find a little flood along our patio deck. Which is only a few feet, as you can see, from coming up on top of the deck and getting the carpet wet along with the chairs. My poor husband. Wet. He is out there.
But it's warm.
Trying to make a little ditch of sorts.
Yeah, just making it so it drains a little better.
Yeah, because right now it's like a few more inches and it's going to be over that deck.
It's going to be dumping. Oh, it's dumping right now.
It's dumping. But at least no raccoons are out today hiding on the side of the wall, which would have been right about there.
They're smarter than that.
Yeah, they are. Don't ask us what all that shit is over there on the other side, because we don't know. This is our side. Anyway, wish us luck with this flooding, because this is like a lot. Look at that.
A
few more inches.